already 6:30.
Please, Mom, let me sleep for 5 more minutes.
Come on, Anushka, wake up now. Otherwise, you will be late for school. Try to be disciplined. This is your responsibility.
Okay, Mom and Dad. Good morning. I will wake up now and won't be late for school anymore. Hey, Shah, I have one chocolate in my bag. Let's have it now. I also have one chocolate. Let's take it out. Why have you thrown the wrapper on the road?
Oh, come on, Shreya. A single wrapper won't make much difference.
Everyone think like that way. That is why our surroundings become dirty. Please pick it up.
But this is the duty of a cleaner, not mine.
If everyone thinks like you, then our world will be a dirty ground.
See, the road is so dirty. I can hardly walk through it. Ouch! Are you okay? Oh my god, here is one banana peel. That's why I got sick. Sorry ma'am, we are throwing this garbage on the road, but didn't understand about the consequences. We will not litter again. Let's hurry up, son. We have to buy many things. Do you want any thirsty candidates? No, I have my own clothes bag.
But why are you not taking the plastic bag? It is easy to carry.
Yes, it is easy to carry, but it is not at all environment friendly. Our responsibility is to protect our environment, right?
Yes, so we should say no to plastic.
It is so much fun to hang from the branches.
Yes, see also the leaves are very nice. Let's on them. We will have lot of fun.
Why are you destroying me?
I give you oxygen. I give you full shade. You should save us.
That is your social responsibility.
We help each other every day, kind words and smiles. That's the way we share our toys and take our turn. So much we can do and learn. We're responsible, yes we are. Caring for our world, near and far. Helping friends and family too. There's so much good that we can do. We pick up trash, we plant a tree, we make our world a place to be. We speak up when we see what's wrong. Together we are brave and strong. We're responsible, yes we are. Caring for our world, near and far. Helping friends and family too. There's so much good that we can do. Pick up trash, we plant a tree, we make our world a place to be. We speak up when we see what's wrong. Together we are brave and strong. We're responsible, yes we are. Caring for our world, near and far. Helping friends and family too. There's so much good that we can do.
thoughtful performance it was by class 6 Now, I would request everyone to stand up on their own places.